Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte driver. So first we have to come to this website www.gigabyte.com and then click to search and enter your model number of your motherboard Z890 AI top and then hit enter. Then click to product and click on the title of name. This is your motherboard. You can see click on support. Select your operating system which is you require Windows 10, 11. Any select or installations process same. Select so Bluetooth driver. You can see this is Bluetooth driver and click to download. So you can see this is already installed Wi-Fi driver and just single click to open and double click to launch. And click to yes. Now this is installing. And then closed.